President Trump has ordered an overhaul of vaccine schedules for children. It comes hours after a panel of advisors appointed by Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. voted to drop the long-standing birth dose recommendation of the Hepatitis B vaccine. In a social media post last night, the president blasted the childhood vaccine schedule and applauded the panel's decision on the Hep B shot. Meg Oliver has more on the change and the pushback against it.
The motion passes.
The contentious vote came after a two-day meeting of the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Committee, ending a decades-old recommendation that every baby get the hepatitis B vaccine the day they're born. 8 members out of 11 voted for it.
I suggest to parents to be very, very suspicious when people tell them that something is safe, especially a vaccine.
The panel, known as ACIP, now recommends parents wait at least 2 months to immunize babies with a low risk of contracting hepatitis B. The vaccine is still recommended at birth for babies whose mothers test positive or who weren't tested.
We've heard do no harm is a moral imperative. We are doing harm.
Today, major medical groups, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, criticize the decision, saying it will harm children. It follows other attempts by HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to re-examine childhood vaccines. In June, he removed all 17 members of the same advisory committee and replaced many with vaccine skeptics. Since the vaccine recommendation was issued in 1991, the number of children infected with Hep B dropped from 16,000 to under 20 reported cases a year.
If a baby is to get hepatitis B as a newborn infant, the likelihood that they will develop chronic hepatitis B or liver cancer as they are older is much higher.
Parents who want to get their child vaccinated can still do so after consulting with their doctor, and insurance companies will likely pay for it. The acting CDC head will decide whether to accept the committee's recommendation at a later date. For CBS Saturday Morning, Meg Oliver, New York.